The hip cuff 7 is a great exercise to work the rotators of the hip as well as the gluteus medius muscle that people often have a little bit too dormant. The first thing you're going to want to make sure you do with this guy is keep that upper hip closed, meaning lining your pelvis so it's nice and stacked. It's not rotating back or forward. This is the first part where you're going to abduct the leg. Make sure you're keeping your core nice and tight with an abdominal brace. This is the second part where you're going to be rotating the thigh, not just the foot. So right at the hip, and you want to make sure your waist isn't moving at all. Once again, everything above the waist is going to be nice and tight while maintaining a neutral lumbar spine. All the movement should occur at the hip joint itself. This is the third part. Sometimes I call this the donkey kick, where you're going to bring your knee up straight perpendicular to your body and bring your leg back and up at the same time. You really feel a nice pinch in the glute med with this one. Same thing, making sure nothing above the waist and all the motion's coming from your hip. And don't arch your back during this one. You'll find it easy to try to arch. Don't do that. This is kind of a take on the clamshell almost, where you're going to be opening up the knee, opening that hip to total external rotation, squeezing and pausing at the top, making sure to keep that pelvis nice and stacked. The tendency is going to be to roll back. Don't do that.